Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you all how to make your own pom-pom keychains, and that's too simple and fashionable. So let's begin up. So we are going to make pom-pom keychains, but if you don't know how to make pom-pom by yourself, it's so easy. I've already uploaded a video before, so you can view that. I have given the link in the description. So let's start. So I'm going to choose one pom-pom. No, I'm not going to use all of them. So finally I chose this pom-pom because it's so multicolored and just look like a peacock feather. I have a bag which has peacock print, so I'm going to use this on it as keychain. So for the material we need to make the pom-pom keychain, there is wire and a keychain ring. So let's start. So I have this pom-pom here, and you just have to follow me. You just have to find from where I have knotted. So here you can see the thread is here. Now I have to just do this with the wire. Now I have to bend it like this, and now I have to roll it. I'm just doing it, so you have to follow me like this. Now it's time for the keychain ring. Here, do as I'm doing. As I've already told you that the pom-pom video link is in the description of this video, so don't forget to view also that video. So here, as you can see, our pom-pom keychain is 101% ready. So it's ready to use, and you can see it's so cute. Whoa! You can also decorate the pom-pom by adding googly eyes. So I have googly eyes here. Now I'm gonna stick it here like this to make it super funny and fashionable. Now, as you can see, my pom-pom keychain is ready to use, and the googly eyes stuck perfectly on the pom-pom. Now let's see how it will look on my peacock bag. So as you can see here, it looks beautiful on my peacock printed bag. So you can also make your own keychain like I have made with pom-pom by following me and subscribing my channel. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and comment. Bye.